Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix listen to this device problem in Windows 10. When we connect mic to the computer, and we enable live listen to the speaker, our audio will not come through the speaker. This is because a simple error we can fix within simple method. I will show you. Just go to Windows search and type services. Open services and you can find Windows Audio in it. Right click on that, take properties, and you can see here is a service name. My service name is Audio SRV. Now you can take command CMD, search for CMD here, and right click on that and take run as administrator. Now we have to write some code. I have put this code in the video description below. We have to write sc query ex and put a space, and after that we have to write the audio service name. Put a space and write this service name here with the correct spelling. You must be careful about the spelling. Audio SRV, and press enter. Now you will get a PID. My PID is 9440. Now you have to write another code. Write task kill space /f space /PID and write my PID here. This is my PID. Your PID may be different, and you can put a space and write the PID there and press enter. Success. The process with PID has been terminated. Now we have successfully terminated the process. Now we have to manually start our service. So right click on Windows Audio and press start, and it will take 2 seconds and it will be started. And now you can check your live listening will be working very fine. There will not be any problem. Thank you for watching.